requests for our Power Pack, samples of our Power Packs. The one thing with these Power Packs is they're big and bulky and hazardous. So when we ship them, they have to be shipped on LTL freight. That's great when you want to sell the detergent to your customer, but when you just want to take a sample out, you only need a gallon or 2. We have solved this problem for you. We've created what we call our micro pack. This micro pack comes with a 5-gallon pail pre-labeled without our name on it. So all you have to do is mix it up and take it to your customer. You can take it off in smaller sizes, or you can end up sampling the entire 5-gallon pack. These are what our micro kits look like. They're a small version of exactly what our full-size kit can make 55 to 110 gallons. It's the same equivalent. Inside your micro pack, you'll have both your liquid and your powder concentrate the same way that you would have a full-size kit going. So here's your powder, just like in a full micro pack, and your liquids. Both of these will come together to be able to make your detergent and use it on a regular basis. That's what I'm supposed to say.
Yeah.
Okay.
I just hit the button.
Ready?
Yep.
Okay. Ready? Are you rolling?
Yeah.
Ready? Great. Perfect. Thanks for